Hey guys, so I have a super fun girls trip that I'm going on this upcoming weekend, which I'm so excited for. But I was like, you know what? Like, I just kind of feel like meh with my hair. I got it cut short recently. I was like, I want to add like a pop of color or something just to kind of like freshen up my like look and then, add a little bit more confidence and just be more fun. Like, I am in my 20s. I want to have fun with my hair. But I also don't want to absolutely destroy my hair with horrible chemicals and parabens and all of that like yucky crap that you just don't want to put in your hair that you know is going to leave it damaged, but you're like, I want the hair color. So I figured since I have blue eyes, why not put a little bit of blue in my hair? So this is the One Wash Temporary Dye from Splat. It is in the shade Boulder Blue. So oh yes, like Boulder Blue, yes. So in the box you get a tube of color, a comb applicator, and then I'm sure it includes instructions, of course. And it's really nice because the fact that it has the applicator, you just twist it onto the tube and then you comb it through your hair. Like, that's the easiest way to put on hair dye for me. And it says the formula contains a unique conditioning base that is gentle on your hair without drying. It works on all hair colors. In my high school years, I definitely used Splat a lot. I used like the pink and the red and the purple, and it was crazy. And I had fun with my hair, but now that I'm a little bit older and a little bit more professional, I gotta kind of like, do the like one wash type of a thing. Because you can't be on Skype with a business meeting like, check out my blue hair. But girls trip means fun weekend, which means let's be crazy. Okay, here is just like a full, here's underneath and everything. So this is what it will look like before. Now just to let you guys know, I do have like a sports bra on right here. You are gonna wanna wear some sort of protective clothing or a towel around you because you're probably gonna get hair dye on you. Also, my hair is freshly washed and dried. I didn't blow dry it or anything. I just washed it this morning, let it air dry, and this is where we're at. Oh, that is so easy. Wow, that is like so easy, you guys. Wow. How fun. It smells really good too. Okay, so that is how you apply it with, and then we blend it with this. Okay, that is so easy. That is like the easiest thing ever. That is so fun too. Okay, I'm gonna do a couple more on this side and then I will show you guys. So this is what the brush looks like after. I totally see how you blend now because you actually just let this dry in and then to get it out, you wash it out. So you obviously want to make sure that you guys are blending it after you use a little comb applicator here just to make sure that it's not like chunky or anything because it's gonna be in your hair all day long until you wash it. So you want to make sure that it looks nice. Okay, so then it says we need to clean the applicator and then place the cap back on the tube. Okay, so here is this side right here, and then I did a little bit on this side as well. With no commitment, like you can wash it out whenever you want, it stays in until you wash it. Just like something fun to do to add a little bit of like confidence or, make you feel a little sexy, whatever you want to do. Like this is just something that I think is just really fun to do, and I have a couple of colors, so I'm definitely gonna be doing this a lot more. Also, shout out to Splat for actually being vegan and not harming the animals and having a product that is actually good to put in your hair. And also, thank you for understanding that some girls have commitment issues with their hair if they like to cut all of it off or dye it a certain color. Like, this is definitely something that I need more of in my life.